Are you struggling to manage your iPhone's battery life? You can use the iOS battery percentage to keep track of the remaining battery of your iPhone. And if necessary, you can put your device in a low power state using the iOS low power mode. In today's video, we're going to tackle both procedures on the new iPhone 14 Pro. Keep watching to learn how to show the battery percentage and enable low power mode on this newest iOS smartphone. But before we proceed, please like and share this video to support our channel. We really appreciate it. Now let's get back to our topic. First off, let's talk about battery percentage. All iPhones running in iOS 16 and later versions including the iPhone 14 series are already capable of showing the battery percentage in the control center or status bar. If you don't see this information on your iPhone 14 Pro, then you will need to manually enable it in the iOS battery settings menu. Here's how it's done. First, open the Settings app. Next, tap Battery. In the Battery Settings menu, tap to turn on the battery percentage switch. The battery percentage will then appear inside the battery symbol on the status bar of your iPhone. On iPhone models with Face ID, you can also view the battery percentage from the control center. You can access this panel by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen. Now that you already know how to enable or show the battery percentage of your iPhone, let's talk about low power mode. With this feature enabled, your iPhone will reduce performance and minimize system animations, but it will extend your battery life. To enable low power mode, you can either go to your iPhone settings, control center, or simply ask Siri to turn it on for you. To enable low power mode via control center, swipe down from the top right of the screen, then tap the lower power mode icon. Doing so immediately puts the iPhone in low power mode, limiting power usage for apps and restricts certain system functions to reduce power consumption. If you don't see the icon in the control center, then you can add it by heading to the iPhone settings menu, then tap Control Center. In the Control Center menu, find low power mode from the list of more controls, then tap the plus icon before it. That will add and include the lower power mode icon to the Control Center shortcut icons or controls. Just look for the battery indicator icon and then tap to turn the feature on or off. To activate low power mode via Settings menu, open the Settings app, then tap Battery. In the Battery Settings menu, tap to turn on the low power mode switch. When enabled, the battery indicator on the status bar will turn to yellow or yellow-orange. But there's a catch. If you're using low power mode, some features will be disabled or limited, such as background app refresh, mail fetch, automatic downloads, and some visual effects. So you may notice that your iPhone has limited functionality in this state. However, everything should be back to normal once your device is sufficiently charged. And that's all there is to enabling the battery percentage and low power mode on the new iPhone 14 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave it a like and subscribe to our channel for more relevant iPhone tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.